Yes, these are gnats. Zoom in. Very nasty. Okay. So let's see how we're gonna transform this into a clean. Look at that. Oh! But look at that. Ah! It's really misleading because it's sad that people be getting these refrigerators. They don't even know that their shit look like this before they move in. It's like I'm kind of adding to the problem, but I look at all these little gnats like dollar signs. So wait for the after, and we'll be back to show you what that MK Clean and that MK Shine about to do with these gnats. Ooh. Okay, guys, we're halfway through, and yeah, zoom in on that right there. This is nothing but mother freaking gnats. Gross. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys. So here is the final. All I got to say is, give me my flowers while I'm still alive. Thank you. Y'all can't even tell it's the same refrigerator. MK Shine, MK Cleaning Service, Major Clean, Cleaning Service, baby. Is why we get the big bucks. Look at all that. Just clean and shining. Yeah.